Story 24. Sensory Rector. Mom the baby. I ring is for Zizzle. She is very smart. She with everything. Her mom is going to have baby one day. Her mom asked her, I think, do you want a baby sheet? You are too lonely. No, Irene replied. How about a baby brother? Mom, I asked. No, Irene replied again. Why? Wouldn't you like to have a sister or brother to play with? Mom asked again. Why? Wouldn't you like to have a sister or brother to play with? Mom asked again. I would want to play with my sister or brother, but I just wouldn't want your belly to explode. You will feel still much pain. Pain is getting so big and drowned. I drink shit. Mom, lad, down. Worry, my belly won't explode. Why don't we ask Dad to give birth to the baby? He is big and strong. I drink as that started laughing to an arm on and can you dance?